In this video, I'm going to talk briefly about sales tax and calculating the total cost. So for the first part, to figure out the sales tax, we'll need the tax rate and we'll need the purchase price, and we're going to multiply those two amounts together. To find the total cost, including the sales tax, we will take the purchase price and add it to the sales tax. That will give us the total cost. Now, in this example, I looked up Aberdeen sales tax in June 2021. The sales tax at this point is 9.01%. Now, if we were to go to Walmart and purchase a bike, say one that cost $178, we would want to figure out what the sales tax is as well as the total cost. Now, notice up here, for sales tax, it says that we need the sales or the tax rate. Rate is going to be different than the percent. A rate is in decimal form, and we need to convert this percent to a decimal. We're going to do that by dividing by 100 or moving the decimal place over to the left 2 spaces. So again, to get the rate, we want to take the percent and divide by 100. In this case, 9.01 is going to give us 0.0901. We move to the left 2 places. We're going to fill in a 0, and we've got our new decimal point in its new position. Now we can figure out the sales tax. Let's take this amount and multiply it to the purchase price of $178. So when I multiply this to 178, it doesn't matter which number is on top. I like to put the larger number on top. Remember that with multiplication, we can apply commutative property. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 9 is 72, and I'm going to carry that 7 over. Now I'm going to multiply the 7 to each digit, so we get 7, 0, 63. Oops. And then lastly, 1090. When we add these up, we can put in some zeros as placeholders. We get 8, 7, 3, 10, 16. Remember that I've got 4 decimal places here, so I need to move over my decimal place 4 spaces to the left, and I get a large number, or a number with a lot of decimal points. Now, because we're dealing with money, we're going to round to the nearest hundredths place. So this 3's in the hundredths place. I'm going to look to the right. This is a 7. I'll bump that to a 4. So the sales tax will be $16.04. Now we want to know how much will be the total cost for this purchase. To do that, we're going to add the sales tax to the original purchase price. This was before tax. $178 plus 16.04, and we're just adding. Bring down that decimal point, we get 14, 9, and 1. So our total cost is going to be $194.04.